About to get the oil change in on the Q50. That's what I've been setting up for. Check it out. I've been cleaning the wheels too all fucking morning. Check out the tires though. The tires looking tight. Let's see what we got on here. We got 255 45 18s. Check it out. Alright, let's go. Let's get some work in. Got those back wheels chopped. Oh, let's see that we set up real quick. Just take all that time setting up. That's all you gotta do right here. Got y'all in the oil fucking pan. Set you guys up so you can see that. Had to throw the gloves on. This one's a little tough. Oh, break nothing. There we go. See how easy that is? We just set up real quick. Once you take all day setting up, that's all you gotta do right there. Don't miss. That's it. Make sure you guys got a microfiber handy. Boom. And then I got the drill, the impact drill right there to take off the little under shield under here. Oh fuck, I forgot to open this bitch up. Don't forget to do that shit too. Yeah, don't forget to do that. Oh, what the fuck? Jesus. Not gonna lie, boy, that boy stone cold. So I got that microfiber though. I'm really tripping on these fucking videos. Check on this. Uh-oh. Damn, bro, I'm all over the place, dude. Let's not forget about that though. Clear that out. Let's go ahead and get this filter off. Get this filter off. Right here, right next to the drain plug. It's that easy, brother. Got the dipstick back in. I'm gonna oil this up a little bit with some new oil. Right here. Just on this ring. A little O-ring on there. no gasket left on there. After I remove the filter, that's what I'm looking like. Yeah, we got a washer on there. You see it's getting dark over here. Okay, we got that oil filter in. I'm gonna tighten it up until I got a few turns in on there. Let me show you. Alright, we got the drain plug back on there. Got that filter in. We're gonna snug that up real good. Same thing with this, we'll go hit it with the wrench. Boom. Crimp it down real good. That feels snug there. One good turn in there. Set. Now I gotta pour this oil and avoid these blow-up valves. Just like that. And I'm pouring in 5 quarts of this right here. I got 530 oil. Got the dipstick back in. Mobile 1 530. And then the filter was a Mobile 1 M1 108A. Alright, I'm gonna check if it's gonna leak before I put the car down. Make sure everything's all good. Then we'll put it down. Take it off the floor jack. Those jack stands. And then we'll top it off. We'll check the level. Old filter is going in the box. There's the new filter right there. I'll be real cool when I'm bringing this down because that back tire fucking lifts up. There's a little tiny ass space I'm working with. Man, I got room, but it's all on dirt. Rocks. So I got to set up like this. Hit it at an angle. That's nothing, bro, but when I'm lifting it up, that shit fucking wants to jump in the sky. Check this out. Just guide this where it's going. Boom. What's that Q50 said? Sin beast. Still got those wheel chocks under there. But now we can start filling this up. Use the rest of the oil and keep checking the level. Make sure you guys check the level. That's super important. So that's exactly what I'm about to do right now. Get that panel back under. Make sure you guys throw that shit on. Oil's good. Right there on that top dot. There we go. Fuck it. I see nothing blinking under since I changed the oil. That was a long one for me. So I'm gonna reset it by holding these two. Boom, set you right about 10K. So make sure you guys change that oil every 3,000 miles, about 3,500. That's what's gonna keep your car healthy. Check it out. How's the interior looking? Looking super mechanical. Catch you guys. Catch you guys in the next episode. Get out of here. I need to get lit. That's what needs to happen. Oily ass fucking pirate ass. Oh, I'm grabbing this fucking. After changing the oil. That's how you set up right there. Catch you guys later. What up, J.I. Beats? What's up, my dog? Yo, they don't know.
Walk past you in the club, I don't know you.
J.I. Beats, what up, dude?
Yeah.
Shit hard, huh? Just living life, bro. Stay blessed up, you guys.